Welcome to Tonex Training. Tonex Training presents Configuration Management, CM course. Now you got the opportunities to shine your quality and logistics career.
Watch this video and have these topics covered. Principles of Configuration Management, CM. Configuration Management Process Model Overview. Configuration Management Best Practices. Configuration Lifecycle Management and Planning. Government Management and Planning Activities. Configuration Identification and Control. Configuration Status Accounting. Configuration Verification and Audit. Data Management. And there is something special. Yes, NDE Workshop. CM and Navy Data Environment, NDE, projects.
2 days course offers learning opportunities.
Consistency, systems attributes, technical baseline. Configuration management, CM, is the application and best program practices to establish and maintain consistency of a product's, systems or system of systems, SOS attributes evolving technical baseline over its life. Configuration management is a management discipline what provides visibility into and to control changes to performance and functional and physical characteristics applied over the product's life cycle. Improper configuration management could result in incorrect, ineffective, and/or unsafe products being released.
Configuration Management, CM. Tonex Training covers all of it. What relates to CM? Configuration Management Tools. System Center Configuration Manager. Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. Configuration Manager. SCCM Microsoft. System Center Configuration Manager. IDLE, Information Technology Infrastructure Library. Freeware Inventory Software. Software Inventory Program.
Configuration management, CM, it reduces technical risks, ensures quality. CM reduces technical risks by ensuring correct product configurations, distinguishes among product versions, ensures consistency between the product and information about the product.
Tonex offers a 2 days training course. Why attend this course? Because you will be learning the biggest essentials parts. What is configuration management and why is it? Learn all the configuration equipment, systems, ships, submarines, carriers. You'll understand product configuration management process. Understand product configuration management best practices. Gain expertise in different types of product configurator methods. How to use JavaScript product configurator, React and Visual product configurator. Have guidance to DOD managers for configuration management, CM project.
People have intensive interest in configuration management. Most popular facts of configuration management of CM go here. What is configuration management? What is Suite Configuration Manager? What type of port is sometimes used by routers for management and configuration purposes? Which is correct about the service asset and configuration management process? Which component of the Hyper-V replica feature and many other?
Read more facts. Request more information. Sign up for configuration management, quality, and logistics training. Please visit our website, www.tonex.com.